I was taking a bath, long about a Saturday night. Yeah, rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub, I put my feet on the floor, I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door, and then a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splash, reeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, rolling and a strolling. Yeah! Well, big bang, I saw the whole gang dancing on my front room rug. Yeah, the flipper-flopper, they was doing the bop. All the teens had the dancing bug. There was Lollipop with a Peggy Sue. Good golly, Miss Molly was even there too. Well, splish splash, I forgot about the bath. I went and put my dancing shoes on. Yeah, I was splishing and a splash, reeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, rolling and a strolling. Damn! Splishing and a splashing, oh yeah, was a rolling and a strolling, whoopee, was a moving and a grooving, hot, moving and a grooving, yeah, 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 reeling with the feeling, splishing, splashing, yeah, I was a splishing and a splashing.